Learn some phrasal verbs with sentence. Put on. Put on. Put on your boots. Put on your boots. Put on your jacket. Put on your jacket. Come off. Come off. A button had come off my shirt. A button had come off my shirt. His hair began to come off. His hair began to come off. Take out. Take out. Don't forget to take out the garbage. Don't forget to take out the garbage. How many teeth did the dentist take out? How many teeth did the dentist take out? Run away. Run away. The thief had run away when the policeman came. The thief had run away when the policeman came. You can't just run away from the situation. You can't just run away from the situation. Look after. Look after. Can you help look after the kids? Can you help look after the kids? Please look after my luggage for a minute. Please look after my luggage for a minute. Tear up. Tear up. Why did you tear up that letter? Why did you tear up that letter? Just tear up the contract and be done with it. Just tear up the contract and be done with it. Grow up. Grow up. She will grow up into a beautiful girl. She will grow up into a beautiful girl. All plants like to grow up towards the sunlight. All plants like to grow up towards the sunlight. Pick up. Pick up. Pick up your pencil and write your name. Pick up your pencil and write your name. Can you pick up the pen for me? Can you pick up the pen for me? Get up. Get up. She finds it very difficult to get up early. She finds it very difficult to get up early. It's time to get up. It's time to get up. Fill in. Fill in. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Fill in your full name and address. Fill in your full name and address. Make up or make something up. Make up or make something up. It means lie about something. For example, Henry made up a story about why he was late. He made up some excuse about his daughter being sick. Let in. Let in. It means allow someone to enter. For example, let's open the window to let in some fresh air. Open the door and let me in. Run away. Run away. It means escape. For example, Emma ran away with her boss. He ran away from home at the age of 13. Put off or put something off. Put off or put something off. It means postpone or delay. For example, don't put me off when I'm trying to concentrate. We are putting off our trip until the weather becomes better. Give up. Give up. It means stop trying. For example, she didn't give up work when she had the baby. Keep trying, don't give up. Find out. Find out. Find out means to discover. For example, can you find out what time the meeting starts? Don't lie to her. She will find out what happened eventually. Work out. Work out. It means exercise or to develop in a successful way. For example, I work out at the gym every day. My first job didn't work out. Run out. Run out. It means has none left. For example, we are running out of time. I have run out of milk. Count on. Count on. It means to rely on something or someone. For example, I was counting on the money from the insurance to buy a new house. I am counting on you to make dinner while I'm out. Keep up. Keep up. It means to continue at the same rate. For example, I can't keep up with all the changes. Keep up the good work. Get in. Get in. Get in the car. Get in the car. You can get in with this set of keys. You can get in with this set of keys. Get out. Get out. I'll get out when you stop at the traffic lights. I'll get out when you stop at the traffic lights. Hold the door open so that I can get out. Hold the door open so that I can get out. Get off. Get off. I must get off the train at the next station. I must get off the train at the next station. You must get off the bus at the next stop. You must get off the bus at the next stop. Get on. Get on. Please get on the bus. Please get on the bus. I'm getting on the bus. I'm getting on the bus. Take off. Take off. Take off your shirt. Take off your shirt. He takes off his coat when he gets home. He takes off his coat when he gets home. Subscribe to our channel and thank you for watching.